So it is apple picking season, and I went to the orchard the other day and picked a bunch of apples. And today I had to do something with them. So I was thinking a spiced apple upside down cake. And so to start, take some apples, peel them, core them, then cut your apples into wedges. So once you've got your apples cut into wedges, take half a stick of butter, plop it right in to your pan. Actually, before we get too far, don't forget to spray your pan with non-stick baking spray. Take a little spatula and spread the butter out in the bottom of the pan. Then take some of your brown sugar and sprinkle it right over the top. Take your apples and put them in a nice little design in the bottom of the pan. Then take the rest of your brown sugar and sprinkle it right over the top of the apples. Set aside. Now it's time to put together the cake. So take your sugar and your butter, right into your mixer and mix together. If you need to, make sure you scrape down with a rubber scraper. You want to really mix these together well. This is called creaming together the butter and the sugar. Add 2 eggs. Let those mix in. Right, once that's all mixed in nice, add some vanilla. 5 ounces of milk, and the dry ingredients. This you're going to stir in really slowly. Once this has mixed in a little bit, I do the rest by hand, just to make sure everything on the bottom is mixed in well. So just mix this together. Once it has formed a really nice batter, take it and pour it right over your apples. Spread it evenly. And then go ahead and bake this right in a preheated 325 degree oven. Baked for 53 minutes. And it's done when it feels like a sponge. And you can also check it for doneness with a wooden skewer. And when it comes out clean, there's nothing on it, you know it's done. On to drop. Oh yeah, it did. And be careful because some of the apples might have stuck to the top, but maybe not. Oh yeah, a couple did. So what you're gonna do is replace the apples right where they belong. And go ahead and spread any of those brown bits right back on the cake. Just take a little bit of powdered sugar and go right around the edge. And this is something you want to do right before you serve it because the powdered sugar will dissolve. Spiced apple upside down cake.